is 10%. Now if we want to calculate the contribution margin per unit of constrained resource, we will divide the contribution margin amount with the time required to fulfill order. For dine-in services, the time required to fulfill order is 20 minutes. For takeaway service, the time required to fulfill order is 10 minutes. If we divide these values, our contribution margin per unit of the constrained resource will be 0.75 rupees per unit, and our contribution margin per unit of constrained resource for takeaway services 0.2 rupees. Then comes the concept of managing constraints. It can be defined as if it is often possible for a manager to increase the capacity of the fulfill the services, whether it is dine-in service, whether it is takeaway service, it will be called as relaxing or evaluating constraint. How the capacity of delivering services can be increased? It can be increased in following ways: by working overtime on the order, by subcontracting some of the processing with the other restaurant, investing in additional machine to fulfill order, shifting workers from processes to the process that is in the takeaway. Like if we are taking the services of waiter in the dine-in services, if we shift those worker services to the process of takeaway, it will definitely increase our capacity. Focusing on business process improvements such as Six Sigma for the services like dine-in service and takeaway service. Reducing defective units, and every defective unit can be processed by substitution, by finding out the alternate or any other thing. So these are the methods to manage constraints and to increase our capacity of delivering services. Then there are some other terms that we need to explain. The first term is joint product. What is a joint product? Two or more products that are produced from a common input. How we can say it? Like the tea, coffee, and kava. These are the products, these are the joint products that can be produced by common inputs. As you all know, there is a little difference. Like in tea, in making tea we use tea bag, but the remaining inputs will remain same. In coffee making, all the ingredients are same except coffee instrument. In kava we don't need any milk, we don't need any coffee, but yes, a tea bag needs to make kava. So these are the joint products in which the inputs are common. So when we are changing our ingredient, like in tea bag we use tea, but our milk, sugar, and boiling is same. In coffee making we are using only coffee, but our remaining ingredients are same. In kava we are excluding the milk. So this type of procedure in which the manufacturing process at which the joint products can be recognized as separate products, it is split off point. In these three products, the split off point is the ingredient that is different from same inputs in joint products. So it will be called as split off point. By using the split off point, we will be able to calculate the cost that is used to describe the split off point. It is called as joint cost. Joint cost is that cost that is utilized to show split off point. Like the joint cost of joint product is for tea, it is a tea bag cost, joint cost. For coffee, it is a coffee cost. For kava, it is a tea bag cost. This cost describes the split off point. As are joint products in which the inputs are same, but to explain the joint cost, we have to identify the split off point, whether it is a tea bag cost, whether it is a coffee cost, whether it is a kava cost. So the cost used to describe the split off point is called joint cost of joint products. So students, this was all about today's lecture, and you need to make notes. Inshallah, we will meet in next lecture. Thank you.